everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making some Jamaican fruit cakes, but first I wanted to show you this mixer that I bought at Walmart over the holidays. I got it on sale for 99 Canadian dollars. So I've been meaning to get a mixer for the longest while, and I've been going between the KitchenAids and the Cuisinarts, but I'm not a professional baker, so I didn't want to break the bank trying to get a mixer. So when I saw this one on sale, I decided I needed to get it. This is beautiful, and it's by Drew Barrymore. It has a line of appliances out, and they're called Beautiful. I think her idea was to have people keeping their appliances on their counters instead of like putting them back in the box and back on the shelves, right, for storage. So when I saw this, I decided to get it and give it a try. I did, however, get the additional warranty that Walmart offers for 2 years because I'm just trying it. I don't know how well the brand will do, but I've seen good reviews for it. I've seen people say it's like a KitchenAid dupe, so I went ahead and bought it. Now the bowl at the 5 liters and 5.3 quarts is a good size. I think you can actually get 2 batches of cakes from this bowl. So I went ahead and got it, and I'm gonna be making some cakes now. Okay guys, so here we have the mixer. So it's a tilt head mixer. So to tilt it back, you press this button right here and it goes back. So this is the bowl. As you can see, it's a good size bowl. So right here at the base, it has some notches. So to lock it in, you would put it in the direction of the lock, which is clockwise. So there, and it's locked. Okay, so it came with 3 attachments. This is the whisk, the dough hook for making breads, and it comes with the beater or the paddle, as some people would call it, right? So it also came with this, which is a splash guard, or the thing for you to pour the liquids in when you're baking, so you don't have to stop the mixer or anything. And this also have the grooves that you would attach it in right here and twist it, and there you have it. And you would press the button to tilt the head back. So right here is the speed adjustment, and it comes with 12 speeds, and that is actually great. And as you can see here, the direction for locking and for unlocking the bowl from the mixer. So there you have it. It's nice. I love the color, and you can look at it. It's pretty matte. It's not shiny, and it actually really does look cute. I also wanted to show you the bottom, guys. It came with the suction pads, so you know when you put your mixer in place, it's not going to be moving all around on your countertop. So that's also a great addition. One thing I realized as well with this mixer, when I got the box, I was like, this is super light. So it's actually really lightweight. Okay, nothing heavy for you to lift, nothing heavy for you to move, so you won't be deterred when you want to bake something thinking, oh, you gotta go get your mixer from storage, if you actually keep it in the box. You know what I mean? So that's also great, because if we know anything about KitchenAids, we know that those are super heavy. So guys, if you're wondering how loud the mixer actually is, I don't think it's quiet. I think it's loud, but it gets the job done, right? So here's the speed. So that's level 1, and it goes up to 12. So I'm just gonna put it up to the level 12 so you can hear it. You can hear it getting louder and louder. I think it's actually pretty loud, but there's nothing in it, so yeah, it should be a little bit quieter when there's actually stuff that's mixing in the bowl. So you're gonna also get this instruction manual that will come with it. There are no recipes in here, but it tells you how to use the mixer and the paddle and all that good stuff. So if there's anything that you would like to know about this mixer that I didn't mention, you can ask in the comments below. So guys, here are the finished cakes. I was able to get both cakes from the same mixture, so the mixing bowl fit really well. I had to double up my recipe, so I would go ahead and give the mixer a thumbs up. It's my third time using the mixer and I am pleased with the outcome. So guys, the recipe for the cakes will be in my next video, and also if you have anything from this beautiful line, please go ahead and share it with us in the comments. We'd like to know what you have from the line. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.